To mine. She said, "Oh, boys will be boys." And so later on at recess, this kid Robbie kept teasing me, and I got so mad I threw a rock in his face, and I kept kicking him in the shin until he was on the ground squealing, "Why are you doing this?" And I said, "Girls will be girls." And thank you. I had to go to anger management that day in the principal's office. So to wrap up, almost 20 years later, in the year 2000, I'm working at a .com company. We are going to be the first company that has streaming online original content. That was not a thing back then. And we had investors on Wall Street, this job was in New York City, that were going to come and decide if they wanted to invest. Every investor had said no. These people were our last hope. And my bosses said, "Let's act creative so they think this is a cool company. Everyone come dressed in a costume." And I didn't want to. At that point, I was an adult who didn't find it fun to have to wear a costume, but I came dressed up like a clown who was in bad pajamas. And the investors walked in, and it was Jonathan. And he looked at me and said, "Still wearing costumes?" And they decided not to invest in the company, and we went under 2 days later. The moral of the story is that Jonathan's lost all of his hair, and I make a living doing comedy on streaming networks. Thank you.
So